In front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G41, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this phone. So at first, reach Settings, then find and select Display, and click on Advanced. Click on Wallpaper then, and you can pick the source from which you want to choose your wallpaper. It can be some from live wallpapers, photos, or wallpapers, and I will go with wallpapers. And you've got even more of them here, so pick the category that you want to choose from. You can also go with your own photos, but let me pick Cityscapes. Here you can take a look how it will look like on your home screen. Oh, I don't know why it's not expanding itself, but this is how you can also change the layout. So let me pick, for example, maybe not, maybe I will just go with this previous one. Or that one, not sure. As you can see, you've got plenty of beautiful wallpapers here. Let me go with this one, tap on confirmation mark then, and then decide if you want it to cover just your home screen, only your lock screen, or both of them. I will go with both. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and lock screens. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.